My name is Colin Kinzer. I'm the Holley EFI product manager. So I bought the car when I started my career in tech service. It's a 1992 bright calypso green Fox body. It started life as a 4-cylinder. The gentleman that I bought it from had a 306 small block Ford in it, and I bought it off the corral and went down to Georgia sight unseen, and we picked the car up and drove it home through the rain, so that was fun. The car sat around for about 3 months with stock fuel injection, and then I got a HP EFI system and put that on in a weekend and drove it to work the next day. Drove it around like that for about a year, and then I bought a Holley turbo system for it with a 61mm turbo. So that stayed on the car for another year and a half. It made 440, 470 at 7.5 pounds of boost, and it was a blast, but I was afraid I was going to break the block. So fast forward to LS Fest 2017, we launched the Hooker turbo manifold setup, and we built a display engine that just blew me away. It was a black Sniper intake like I have on this car, big S475 turbo hanging off the front, and from then on I knew I wanted to put an LS in this car. So I gave the car to the Blackheart team here at Holley, and we used my chassis to develop the entire LS swap system for Fox bodies. That's, you know, your transmission cross member, your motor mounts, multiple header configurations, and multiple exhaust configurations. So all those parts are in this car right now. It has an L33, which is an aluminum block 5.3. We have a Sniper intake manifold. Holley EFI, Dominator ECU controls the engine. To cool it down, we have a Frostbite 3-row radiator, and people would occasionally stop by and just say, "Hey, there's a LS in your Mustang." And you know how the diehard Ford guys are. They all appreciated the car at the end of the day, so we're happy about that. Literally the parts are the best of the best, so this is kind of the end game. Maybe some interior modifications to put air conditioning in it. But outside of that, this is it. This is the dream Fox body I've always wanted.